How to watch American Netflix from anywhere. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can watch American Netflix from anywhere, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To watch American Netflix or American shows and movies, depending upon whichever region you live in, you have to use a VPN. So in order to watch American movies, you have to simply download a USA VPN, right? So in the search box you just want to go ahead and then type in VPN USA, and then you simply want to download any of the USA VPN applications that is dedicated to those specific service. In my case, I personally like this one because it works always. I'll just go ahead and download this. After you've downloaded, open it up, and then now you want to simply go ahead and then connect to a USA server. So you can see currently it's set to United Kingdom, but you can just change the server and then select to any of the ones from USA right over here. So once you select the USA servers over here, just tap on the connect option. You'll be able to connect to that VPN. You might want to allow the connection request if you're setting it up for the first time, and then after you've done that, you can basically come back now. Now once you come back, you can see your VPN is actually connected to USA. Now you can open up the Netflix application, and this time when you open the Netflix application and then log into your account, you will be able to unlock all of those American shows and contents. But keep in mind that internet connection speed could be slow when you're using a VPN. So hope this video helped you as to how you can watch American shows or anything from on Netflix from anywhere. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.